So yeah, I got my sample bottle of Auto Glym Super Resin Polish, and I got my microfiber cloth. So yeah, time to get busy. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be having my first attempt at polishing my S3. Yeah, so the car's already been washed. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to wipe over the car, just double check there ain't no wet bits, then we should be good to put the polish on. Alright guys, as you can see, I've just finished wiping down the car, giving it a secondary wipe over, just to make sure we ain't got any dust that's been picked up from leaving the car wash to get in here, or any dry watermarks that might be on the car. And then we're going to stick the polish on. What I'm going to do this side first, put the polish on this side first, let it set for about 5-10 minutes, then wipe it off, and then we start on the other side. So this is what I'll be using to polish the car. I've got a sample bottle of Auto Glym Super Resin Polish, a long-term beauty treatment for all paint types. As you can see, made in Great Britain. So yeah, I've got my sample bottle of Auto Glym Super Resin Polish, and I've got my microfiber cloth. So yeah, time to get busy. So I've done 2 little blobs there on the white microfiber cloth. They say this little tab could easily polish up to 3 cars. So let's see how we get on. Little is more, or less is more, as they say. So you ain't gonna fill up your cloth with a whole heap of polish. Just a little, and apply. Alright, so I've applied this side. I don't know if you can see the hazy bit there. So you can see the difference. Hazy, gloss. So yeah, I've done that side of the car. I'm now gonna buff it all off this side and then see what it's really saying. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have completed the polish on the S3. It is looking a million times better. It literally looks like it's just ready to leave the showroom. No, I'm not even gonna lie. The Auto Glym Super Resin has done a wonderful job. As you can see, that back end there gleaming. Look at it, absolutely spotless. Alright guys, as you can see, the car's complete. Auto Glym Super Resin Polish applied. Car looks a million times better. I keep saying it, it looks like it's ready to leave the showroom. But yeah, that's it for this video guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time.